Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. This is my 2010 Honda Civic. The problem that I was having with it, cranking but no start. So it would crank but no start. I wasn't getting the green light and the red light. I tried everything with no help from YouTube. So see, actually pull down all of the car, trying to find the problem, and the problem actually lied in one of the relay. So I wasn't getting no light, won't start, but now I'm starting. Yeah, I'm starting. I'm gonna show you how you can fix here. This was my scan tool I was using, but no help. Alright, I will show you where the problem lied. The problem lied in this relay. For some reason wasn't getting any ground, so I run a wire grounds it here, so take it up and show you. I just use this price stop. So there's the wire in that one. So put the grounds in, put in the relay, push it down, run it to the grounds and the battery. Remember the grounds. So yeah, look, and that fixed my problem of cranking and no start. So once again, if you're having a problem with your Honda Civic cranking but no starting, and wasn't getting the green light and the red part light, that is your problem. I really need to be grounds, or well, I'm actually going to change the relay. So that's what worked for me. So I hope this video has helped. So if it helped, give me a thumbs up and a like. Thank you.